Most beginners think that Tai Chi walking is just about stepping forward, but that's only part of the practice. A one-way street doesn't exactly get you where you want to go all the time, right? So today I'll show you how we walk backwards and why it often feels more supportive for balance and the knees. And then by the end, we'll combine this with the forward walking so you'll have a complete Tai Chi walking routine that you can practice again and again, which is very exciting. Quick note before we begin, I'm not a knee specialist, I'm not a doctor or a physical therapist. I'm a Tai Chi practitioner with over 30 years of experience, and I've personally dealt with weak knees and knee pain. If your knee pain is severe, more gentle practices like Qigong may be more appropriate. Please know this isn't just called Tai Chi walking backwards. This is a traditional Tai Chi movement from the Yang style forms called Step Back, Repulse Monkey. I actually want you to say that with me. Step Back, Repulse Monkey. To repulse means to push something away. So think of it as pushing away a pesky monkey as you step back. Using the traditional names, it really does help us understand what the movement is actually doing. Now, the exciting part is that the lower body stepping here is actually easier than walking forward. There are fewer steps. So if you think about driving a car, when you're in reverse, you mostly just stay in a straight line. But when you're driving forward, you're making a left, making a right, maybe making a U-turn. So the same idea applies here. The footwork is very simple when you're stepping back. And when it comes to the knees, stepping back feels easier on the knees because most of the weight stays on the back leg instead of lunging forward. While at the same time, it strongly trains balance because you're briefly standing on one leg and you can't see where you're going. So this causes you to rely on your connection to the ground to remain stable. So are you ready to do your Tai Chi version of the moonwalk? Let's stand up and get started. Step into the bow stance with your left foot forward and your feet shoulder width apart, head pulling up on a string, pelvis tucked, and 60% of the weight in the front leg. And just like walking forward, we start by shifting the weight into the back leg, then lift that left leg onto the toe, into the heel, shift the weight back, and straighten out the front right foot. So it's 1, step back onto the toe, 2, shift the weight in the back, 3, straighten out the foot. 1, 2, and 3. Those are your 3 steps to stepping back. We'll start now with the right foot forward in the bow stance. Just relax into it. We'll shift the weight back to start, and then step your right foot back to the toe, then sit into it and shift the weight back and straighten out the front foot. So it's 1, step back onto the toe, 2, shift back into the heel, and 3, straighten the foot. 1, 2, and 3. Don't worry, you'll get this. We'll practice it much more. Let's just focus on the upper body arm movements now. Raise your left hand forward to about chin height and right hand out to about 4 o'clock. Lower your shoulders. Bend your right elbow with the right palm coming over the ear and pushing forward as the left hand pulls to the hip. Turn your waist a little bit to the left as the left hand extends out to about 8 o'clock and you look at it and the right hand flips up. Bend the left elbow over the ear, pushing forward. Right hand pulls to the hip. Turn the waist to the right a bit, look at the back hand, the front hand flips up. Push the back hand forward, pull the front hand to the hip. And continue on, turning the waist to the left, flip the front hand up, and make your circle pushing forward and pulling in through the center. Just relax your arms, push and pull like yin and yang right through the center. And continue on. Try to keep going in a continuous rate. Everything just moves at the same time. Staying relaxed. Pushing and pulling. Soften the arms. pulling in but also pushing out. And whether you found that complicated or simple, it's okay either way. We'll keep refining and practicing to deeper levels. Now we'll combine the upper body and lower body. Stand with your left foot forward in the bow stance, 60% of the weight in the front leg in the push, and shift back. We'll bring the right hand out to about 4 o'clock, looking at it. Turn the left hand up. Step the left foot back onto the toe. Shift into the heel as the right hand pushes forward. Left hand pulls to the hip and straighten out your front foot. To the left. Set the right foot on the toe. Left hand pushes, right hand pulls. Straighten out your front left foot. Right hand out to 4 o'clock. Left hand spirals up. Step the left foot back. Right hand pushes, left hand pulls. Straighten out the front right foot. There's a lot going on all at the same time, and it's kind of cool, to be honest with you. Let's try it again with the right foot forward in the push. First, shift back. Wave the left hand out to about 8 o'clock while the right hand flips up, and step the right toe back. Shift into the back right leg as you push the left hand forward and straighten out the left foot. Right hand goes out, left hand flips up, step the left foot back onto the toe, then heel, push and pull while the front foot straightens. However that was for you, you did great. We'll keep going. And now we'll review stepping forward and add the stepping backward. Stand with your left foot forward in the bow stance, holding the Tai Chi push. Shift back, turn the left foot out slightly as you lower the hands, step up to the cat stance, then set the heel, toe, and shift forward and push. 1 is shift back, 2, turn the foot out slightly, 3, set the heel, 4, shift forward and push. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now we'll start stepping back, shift back, left hand spirals out, set the right foot back on the toe, into the heel, push the left hand forward, straighten the left foot, to the right. Step back to the toe, shift back into the heel, straighten the front foot. Great job. Shake it out a little bit in your legs, and we'll try the right foot forward next. Into the bow stance, right foot forward this time, holding the push, and then we shift back to start. Turn that right foot out slightly to then step up into the cat stance, set the heel, toe, push forward. Shift back is 1, turn the foot out, and step up to the cat stance is 2, then heel and toe push. And now we'll step back, Repulse Monkey, shift back, turn the right hand out, flip the right hand up, step the left foot back to the toe, heel, push the right hand forward, straighten out the front foot. To the left side, set the right foot back. And to the right side. I'm here just smiling for you because this is fun, it's exciting, and it's really beneficial. All right, now it's time for the big finish, which is that same sequence but skipping the cat stance, just for a nice flow. Left foot forward, holding the push in the bow stance. Shift back. Turn the left foot out. Just step through onto the heel, then toe, shift forward and push. Shift back, turn the right foot out a little bit, lower the hands, and step that left foot through as the hands raise, shift forward and push. Shift forward with the push, then shift back and turn the left hand out, looking at it, flip the right hand up, step the right foot back, shift back into the right leg, push the left hand forward, and keep going to the right side. Step the left foot back, push the right hand forward, and to the left side. Step back, Repulse Monkey. Let's do this same forward and backwards walking with the right foot forward now. Shift into the front leg. And then shift back as the hands lower. Set the right foot out slightly and step that left foot all the way through onto the heel, then toe, and shift forward and push. Shift back, turn the foot out slightly, step through, and push. Set the heel, toe, shift forward and push. Then shift back, turn that right hand out, and step the left foot back, pushing the right hand forward and straightening the right foot. Think about it less and just feel it. Congratulations on learning this stepping forward and backward routine. I have so much respect for you. Just keep on playing with it. So before we finish, let me answer one of the most common questions I get, which is how long should you practice for? There really is no set answer, and that's by design, but just don't overdo it. This isn't about counting reps or doing timed workouts. Instead, just pick something in the distance, a tree, a wall, the end of your room, and walk to it slowly, and then walk back in that straight line. And by the time you return, you'll feel more confident in both the forward and backward walking. And that's what this practice is really about: awareness, balance, control, not repetitions. And yes, you may feel like you've worked out. Your knees, legs, and hips might feel tired, and you could even feel a little sore. Please know that this is completely normal. Tai Chi is an exercise, and at its highest level, it's a martial art, which of course is a workout. So just now, rest, let the body integrate, and don't be put off by any normal soreness. But if pain feels sharp or acute, that's your body asking for something more gentle, and that's where practices like Qigong can be a much better fit. If you'd like more guidance with this, I've shared a free 40-minute Tai Chi walking class inside my free community, and it includes both forward and backward walking. Practice slowly and continuously. And if you haven't seen the forward walking video yet, I'll link that for you here as well. Thanks for practicing with me today. Take your time with this, move with awareness, and just each day you'll find that you're more proficient, more aware, and really starting to understand this. We'll see you on the next video.